Hello guys. Why you're very tall guys? Taas kay ka guys. Putot ko guys. Wala guys. Sakto na guys. Why you're very putot guys?
Here?
Yes, that. Above little bit, honey ko.
Huh?
Higher little
A
bit.
little higher?
Little bit. That.
I gotta get a rubber band so I don't. And I gotta plug into this. Plug it in here. Plug it back into the wall. The camera's been offline very briefly.
Mga guys, may hapon mga guys.
Rubber band. I need a rubber band.
Good afternoon mga guys. I'll show you my cooking mga guys ha. We're do cooking. What do you call this? Banana bread.
It's not exactly the name of it.
This is my version. My version. I do cooking banana bread.
It's not banana bread like you hear about in the United States.
Please watch till the end.
This is a
Because
bread that is it's more like a banana pancake to me, but it's
please
it's
watch till
delicious.
the end because
Don't watch to the end.
there are more funny videos if you watch till the end. Because
Watch
his
to the end of what?
happiness is my mistake.
Uh-huh.
That's his happiness.
Uh-huh.
So better you watch out all the videos, all the happiness.
She makes
of my
good
cooking.
mistakes. She makes really good mistakes.
I have a lot of mistakes, guys. So watch out, guys. Huh? It's funny.
I think that's good. Hi, guys. While she's doing the vlog over there, I'm going to do a vlog over here. You just have to look around behind you. Yeah, over here. Yeah, look at me. Hi. Hi.
Badlongon na, guys. Badlongon nga sa puton, guys. Kana siya, guys. Badlongon nga sa puton. No! No!
Right here.
I'm busy.
Right here.
My eyes is busy. I'm playing first here, guys, ha, to make it crunch the banana, to mix it the flour with milk, fresh milk, sugar, little bit baking soda. I'll give you recipes, these guys, at the end of the video. I'll put the recipes. This is my version, guys. Huh? It's a long process, this guys, because it's more doing here. First is make it crunch the, what do you call this, Haniko? Like that, doing this like that.
Oh, mash.
Mash.
I guess that's what I would call it. You're
I'm
mashing it.
doing here. Mash.
Mash.
The banana.
Mash.
Mash. Mash.
Nah. Mash.
Mash. I don't know how to pronounce that.
Not mash. Mash.
Mash.
Look at me. Look at my mouth.
Spell it.
Look at my mouth. Mash.
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 M-A-S-H.
It's up to you guys.
M-A-S-H. Mash.
H-H-S-H.
Right about now, some people will be hearing the theme song, Suicide is Painless.
We have a lot of bananas, guys. So Almost done. This is the center of the banana inside. It's little bit black. So I put here. True. Hard to break. Look guys. Here guys, oh. Where are you guys? Here guys, oh. Like that. You can see it there guys. Look. Like all is banana that Sab-A is very small. Cardaba is big, but Sab-A is very small. That's why 12 pieces that. But if I use Cardaba, banana Cardaba name, but Cardaba is bigger than Sab-A. So this is 12 pieces because I use Sab-A. But if I use Cardaba, just only 6 pieces by using this my measurement of 1 cup flour, 1 cup flour, 1 cup fresh milk. I have measurement here guys. In my measurement 1 cup 3/4. Flour guys, flour, all purpose flour. 1 cup this. You need to strain this guys. Maybe there is mix there. Okay. measurement of salt is 1/4 tablespoon. 1/4 salt. This is baking powder, guys. Where's the measurement? Small. 1/2. Over there. 1/4 also. Fresh milk, guys. 1 cup. 1 cup.1 cup. Now, I mix it to the flour. I will add a little bit, guys. Stick it because it's more banana. I use 12 pieces more. This is supposed to be 1 cup and 6 pieces banana. Cardaba, bigger than Saba is more that I use 12 pieces. Bag-o ning sugar, guys. Palit. Ganina. Dito mi sa isa 3/4 cup, but I did not put just only that because if you want sweet, tamis kaayo, you make it full. But I don't like tamis kaayo. I don't like very sweet, so I just only like that. If you don't have, yesterday I did cooking like this, but we don't have white sugar, so I use condensed, half condensed and half honey. Hi Tom. Hi guys. Hi guys. Tom guys. My editor.
Is it recording?
Not yet.
Okay. I was going to say, there's a red button you got to push, isn't there?
Can you get the oil, Tom?
Olive?
What kind of oil do you want to use?
It's up to you.
Olive or...
Olive will have a little bit of a flavor. Coconut probably less flavor added.
You don't like olive?
Either one's fine. It's up to you. Which one did you use? One for cooking huts?
Coconut.
What can you do? Find it. I'm going to turn this light back on.
The measurement of oil, guys, we use coconut oil, and the measurement this is 3/4 cup, 3/4 cup. Hala ka, guys. Three-fourth cup that the oil tesa. 3/4 cup. 3/4 cup. Next na. There is lacking ingredient, guys. This is my mistake, guys. Almost. One egg, guys. One egg. Karon, guys, ang request ni Kano, guys, luto niya, tanan akong luto, utangan og turmeric powder. Apang requested this, every cooking for turmeric. So this, additional color. This is my version only, guys, ha. Make it your own version. I have automatic like that. They're hiding. I don't like to use. I like manual. Ready na niya na kung luto-luto ano, guys. Kaya nakahinog man among saging doha ka punuan namong gituba. Itong pag-glass naman pag-ato dito, guys, sa patan. Doha ka punuan namong gituba. Nangahinog naman. Once tira ni mo kaon og rice. Dayon. Kanina ako lutoon. Montag ra mo kaon og rice di kano. Ini break lunch o dinner mo na iyang kaon. Apit na mahurot, guys, napay sa kasiti. Last na luto og mo. Or other day. Tomorrow is Sunday. I'm going to church. I don't have time to cook tomorrow. No time. So we'll be cooking again on Monday. What happened to you? Difficult to remember. Hello guys. Here guys, oh. Look at my cooking this, oh. Here guys.
Don't pay attention to these things right here. It's not important, okay? Bad of us. I told her it was too full to eat. I'm going to go ahead and eat one. They are delicious.
Lami na to.
No, disgusting. Terrible. Don't ever make them again. She's made these 3 days in a row now.
3 days now.
Quite good.
I start cooking that
Hot.
Wednesday.
You want? It's not that hot.
No, that's
You
yours.
want that?
Hot, tani ko ah.
It's not.
Hot.
Takes a little tiny bite. You can really taste the basil in this.
Basil. I put that turmeric.
No, you didn't.
I put.
Did
Look at the camera that when you
You really put turmeric?
They did that.
Put turmeric?
Yes.
Okay. You say so. I don't taste it. I think you're pulling my leg.
Little bit. Oh, it's like one fourth of
Teaspoon?
cup teaspoon.
1/4 cup.
1/4 of teaspoon.
1/4 cup would be a lot. It would be like this much in your container right here. Yes, it's good.
Lami guys, but busog ko guys. Anya na nakauno na ako. Kurot na ron.
I had
Bagula ko nagkaon og avocado.
avocado and banana Q.
And we're arrived here guys almost 2 p.m. because we're eating there in Nagaisano pizza.
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 It's a pretty good place. Although you have to beg for napkins. You have to try something besides Hawaiian pizza.
Paig lang ni.
Oh no.
Hi guys. You watch out this guys ha. Paig this guys. That is my mistake cooking guys. Sometimes paig.
I don't think you can burn these unless you leave them in there for a couple hours.
Paig.
It just gets crisp on the outside. It's delicious.
Paig in English is born. Hanito? Born.
Burnt.
Born. Born.
Yeah, because it's already been cooked too long. It's burnt. You burned it.
Impregnanto.
Hope so.
I'm pregnant. Twin. Twin my baby.
One boy, one girl?
Yeah.
Maternal twins?
Name is Tom and Jerry.
Crazy woman. Yeah, it's definitely delicious. Smells good too. It's not overpoweringly sweet, but it's sweet. It's tasty.
Which is sweet. That or
Banana
maha.
Q. Oh, maha. Maha's more sweet.
Which is lami. Maha or that.
Oh, now you're gonna. It depends. This is lummy. But if I move from really sweet stuff, Maha's really good. Maha's really good, period. I haven't had that for a while. Maha Blanca.
You want Maha Blanca? You like?
Mm.
Okay. We'll buy ingredients.
Nothing like corn poopy. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit.
Click the notification.
See? She remembers.
Click.
Bye.